Okay, wanted to do a cold start video on Bucky, and a couple of things. First of all, so we had a new piece of trim for the front passenger side, so I went ahead and we put that on in the shop. So I wanted to show that to you since I had the video camera out and I was right here. The other one was fine. It just had a little ding in it, as you'll see in the photos, and you know, the trim on it does show its age some places, but we had that, and so we thought it'd be a good upgrade. So I'm gonna show you for our cold start. Put my hand on the manifold here, and then I'm gonna come around to the side because I want to show you the choke before Jason starts it, to show you what that looks like. So when you start this, he's gonna pull the choke out and push the gas at the same time. So you do that at the same time, and that's what engages the choke on it. And so now he's gonna start it up, and the choke stays out. Go ahead and fire it up. And you can hear how nice that starts up. Then let's take a look at we'll rev it a couple times, and then oil pressure gauge. You can see that's working. And then I'll have it rev it. And then if you've never used a choke before, what you want to do is you just leave the choke out, let it warm up for a few minutes, and then you feather it in. So, and then you drive. But this truck starts great, let it warm up for a few minutes, and you're on the road.